Today I will be building a custom keyboard from scratch, meaning I had to buy all the different parts for the base kit such as the case, PCB, plate, and stabilizers instead of getting a keyboard kit and installing the switches and keycaps on it. As usual, I will be linking all the parts below in the description for any of you who are interested. So without further ado, let's jump right into building this keyboard. Starting off with the main part of today's build, we have the GH60 wooden case, which is compatible with pretty much all the 60% PCB like GH60, DZ60, GK61, and the PCB that we are using today, which is the CM64. The CM64 PCB is a hot swap PCB with self-facing LED lights, which allows you to use any keycaps without interference. I would definitely recommend this PCB as it is one of the cheapest, good quality hot swap PCB in the market. Next, we have our plate. I got a carbon fiber plate which was recommended to me by my friend, so I decided to try it out. We're going to start off by modding the case. I will be adding some foam into the wood case to dampen the sound of the switches and make it sound less hollow. I actually tried doing the Tempest tape mod, but something went wrong, so I decided to remove the tape and perform this mod in another video. As for the stabilizers, I got the stock OEM clip-in stabilizers. I actually got the Everglide V3 plate-mounted stabilizers, but realized that the plate that I got does not support plate-mounted stabilizers, which means I had to order those clip-in stabilizers and waited for another 2 weeks. The first mod that we are going to perform is the Holy mod. The Holy mod is basically installing Band-Aid into the stabilizers to reduce the rattle. I've been doing this mod ever since I started building keyboards and the results never disappoint. After that, I will be lubing them with Krytox 205G0. Also, I am currently sponsored by L&B Labaratories on Shopee. They sell the cheapest and authentic Krytox 205G0 in my country, so be sure to check them out below in the description. Moving on to the switches, I will be using Gataramuki Yellows as it is one of my favorite linear switches and they sound really good after lubing them. This process took about 2 to 3 hours, so remember to take breaks or watch Netflix like I did. I would recommend taking all the switches apart and put them in separate bowls before you start lubing, as this will help you save a lot of time. Next up, we will be installing the lube switches onto the PCB. I know some of you love the click sound when you install switches, but I had to mute the background noises thanks to my neighbors. After that, we can start to assemble the keyboard by screwing in the PCB onto the wood case. For the keycaps, I decided to use the Japanese black on white PBT keycap set. I picked this keycap set because it is simple and clean, which would fit the wood case perfectly. With the final keycap installed, I present you the $100 budget woodcase keyboard. So yeah, this budget keyboard build turned out really good for around 100 bucks. And a month's wait because I ordered the wrong parts. But all jokes aside, the quality and feel of this keyboard is definitely up there, and I would really love to build one of these wood case keyboards again. We have come to the end of the video, and I hope you all enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed editing this video. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and rate this build in the comments below, or ask me any questions in the comments and I'll reply you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.